What do you think of your new house, Grayson? You're doing pretty good there, aren't you? You going up the slide? Hold on. Whoa, you feel off. Oh, do you go down? Can you go up? Go up the stairs over here. There you go. You did it. Yay. Yay. You did it. Are you going to go down now? Can you go in there? You're going to go back up. Is that fun? Careful. Can you get out of there? Pepper, move. Grayson, you gonna go up the stairs? Go up the stairs. Can you go up the stairs? You can go to... Yeah? Can you go up the stairs? Look, there's your new house. Go play on your new house.